kidnapped the governor.
Yeah, he kidnapped the governor.
Oh, seriously?
Oh, yeah. You know how much they pay to get that guy back? Come on.
I don't know his phone numbers.
Oh, hell
really? They pay a fortune.
Kidnapping the governor. That's pretty insane.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, we're nuts. You don't want to get mixed in with us.
So you just better scoot on out of here and bring it wrapped up in our activities.
Oh, wait. You're gonna need a little help for a job that big, right?
Help? Yeah, no, we got our own little posse.
Call my crew.
You call it a crew?
Who sneezed on the phone?
It's allergy season.
Thanks. Hey, how'd you learn to do that?
Never look me in the eye. Message received.